Sachin. So, my Chennai subscribers got me a BBB cake, but this guy thought it's my birthday, and so he wished me happy birthday. So I've given him a cake. Thanks a lot. Okay. Okay, and I want to give him a BBB sticker. Thank you. So right now from here, CCD Besant Nagar, we'll be going to Pondicherry. Yeah, it is 40 degrees. Yes, we understand it's hot, but we have come for this experience itself. Me and my friends, everyone are ready. Yeah. We'll go to a petrol stop. Yeah. So now one of my subscribers, as I've shown in the video, he has given me a photo frame. I'm glad that there is no glass or anything in this, so I've tied it to my back seat itself with bungee cords. So this is how my bike will look. From here, one of my subscribers is coming with us till Pondicherry. He's a common friend of ours, and so we'll see how this ride goes. Damn, it's hot. We haven't had our lunch or anything. We just had some frappuccino or something here, and the cake, which was really good. It was really good. Sorry. The seat is so hot. So the thing is, since more than 45 people were there at the same place, the police freaked out and wanted to fine us with some bullshit reason, but we did not let him do that. The Tamil Nadu people here, they spoke in Tamil and made sure, the subscribers meetup wouldn't be at stake or would be affected or something. So thanks a lot to each and every one of you guys. So if you ask me how is it to ride in 40 degrees temperature, just know that you will be sweating through your helmet like crazy. There is sweat running down my eyes, my nose, my forehead. There is sweat everywhere. I'll have to go clean my riding gears, my helmet again. Second thing is, the seat is very hot. It's like you're sitting on a hot plate. The third thing is your knees. If you're wearing a jeans and if your knees are exposed like this with no knee guards or anything, your knee guards are, like being toasted literally. I don't know how people who are here will feel, but for me that's the feeling. This is Wise Down. He is a YouTuber here in Chennai, so do check out his channel. Yeah. So that's one thing. Then doesn't matter if you're touching a brake lever or the handlebar weights, whatever, everything is hot. And if you're wearing a leather boots like mine, you feel like your leg is a chicken or something and it's being toasted inside. It's like they have put a hot water straight. So it's like they have put some hot water or something inside my boots and someone has set my leg on fire. That's how I'm feeling. Damn. This is a crazy challenge. You should try only if you are determined to do it. See, the thing is, the levers are so hot here. Like, it was under the sun for nearly 3 hours. The entire time of the meetup, it was under the sun. And so it's super hot. I dashed into my friend. So me and my friends are refueling now in the petrol station here. It's really hot. No matter how much water we drink, we are not able to take it. My Chennai subscribers are like, welcome to Chennai, and now you know what we have to live with. So now I know that. You can see I'm literally sweating. No matter how much I wash my face, how much I try to clean myself, doesn't matter. This is the 40-degree ride experience. You should try this once. So we are all fueled up and we are heading on the ECR route. The strict instruction to everyone is that no one should rev their bikes. No one should show a sign of riding fast or something. So we'll be the most well-behaved riders today. Keep everything under limits. 1:30 in the afternoon. And we are on the ECR route as I've told. Vande Roda? So from here it's one straight road to Pondicherry. I hope as soon as we hit the place where we see the ocean and everything, it's a little more windy because it's really hot. I cannot emphasize enough as to how hot it is here today. This signal is filled with only me and my friends. Yeah, so I had heard from my subscribers that till this first toll there will be police problem, and after this, so yeah, as you saw there, my subscriber was like, from here you can enjoy the ride, because till here is where the police will try to fetch money from you. See that flag, how windy it is. So that is how much crosswinds we are getting, and we are supposed to deal with that now. And these bus drivers, they are not making way for us at all. And even if we are trying to overtake legally, they are not letting us go. And the roads are beautiful. That is a fake Mustang. Wow, this is very nice. On both the sides, it's very good. After riding for nearly 390 kilometers, we are seeing trees like this. After 390 kilometers, imagine the state of us. Roads are amazing. At the same time, there is too much traffic. Oh my god, that was a definite close call. What? Dude, these roads, dude. Tago guru. So I'll be riding the R3 for a while. Oh my god, these roads are so nice. Go. Hey, macha, comfortable. So on these roads, I would certainly be happy with a Ninja 300 or an R3 or an RC390. The only advantage that RC390 has is maybe tires, which you can put on this bike as well. But you cannot just get this feeling of an R3 on a KTM RC390 at all. Your bike is mental, dude. Amazing. I guess this is some kind of salt lake or something. See how vast this is. Man, we have seen so many different of terrain on this ECR road. ECR is a beauty, man. Guys, if you're seeing this video, make sure you come to this road. I know it's a little dangerous with single lane road and everything, but there is so much more for you guys to see. There is so much for you guys to see, enjoy and feel. It's amazing. See this, dude. Like, I don't know, I guess there's the ocean itself which has come into the city or something. Look at this, man. You can see the ocean floor there. I can see, but I don't know if GoPro can capture that because it's too far away. So now we are 15 kilometers away from Pondicherry. Now we have to still find a hotel in Pondicherry. We have to freshen up, and then we'll have to go get something to eat. We are all really hungry now. We did not have anything for the last 140 kilometers, but we stopped in between for a while because there were some people who went to take some photos and everything. We are in Pondicherry city now. The ECR route was amazing, but at the same time it was really dangerous. Each and every one of us have had a close call for sure. You know, even without you trying to go fast or anything, the other person who was overtaking from the other side was giving you some life-threatening close calls, I'll tell you. Each and every one of us have experienced that. So anyways, the route was scenic. Couple of my friends went to take photos on the salt lake and everything, and they have taken some fantastic photos. Everything was done. We are in Pondicherry city now. We are going near the beach so that, you know, somewhere near the beach itself we'll be able to take the hotel. So it's 4 o'clock, almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't know what this place is, but it is maintained so very neatly. This is really good. I guess there is some significant. Oh, the beaches are right here. Okay, so this is the main beach where people usually, you know, go for a walk and everything. I remember coming here 3 or 4 years back. Yeah, this is the famous beach of Pondicherry. So I guess we have to park over there, but we need to find a hotel. Actually, this is what I told my friends, that, you know, let's not book a hotel or anything. Let's simply walk into Pondicherry and find a hotel, because this experience will be a little different. Beach guest house. So I guess I can talk and find out here.